Right now I'm taking this problem of -2 to 4. That the problem I have chosen in the last class, x of t. So is this is a even signal or odd signal? So for checking this as even or odd, I am drawing the x of minus t. So this 4 comes in the left side and -2 comes to the right side. So +2 to -4 is the x of t is equals to x of minus t? No. Again I am taking the minus of x of minus t. So if I am taking the minus of x of minus t, so this amplitude comes in the downside. Two, 2 minus 4. The amplitude, if the amplitude is 4, here also 4, here is a minus 4. Here origin is t equals to 0. Here origin also t equals to 0. Origin also t equals to 0. So can I write this? Can I write this also? So the function or the signal I have chosen, that x of t, that is started from the -2 to 4. The signal neither even nor odd, neither symmetric nor asymmetric. So now the signal is a neither even nor odd category. So now I have to, whenever I have found that the signal is neither even nor odd, then I have to estimate the even part of the signal as well as the odd part of the signal. That I have told you in the last class, that how to estimate the even part of the signal and odd part of the signal. So I am drawing this as graphically, that may clear more that comes to you clearly. So I am drawing x of minus t below this. So that start from the -4 to 2. Here it is a 4, it's a -2. Now amplitude of this also 4. Now I am estimating the x of even, x even of t. So x even of t is the x of t plus of x of minus t by 2. Okay. Now if I am adding this both, then adding and dividing by 2. So if I am adding both, 4 plus 4 is 8. Now -2 to 2, if I am seeing the -2 to 2, the x even of t. So x even of t, there is a 2 4 -2 -4. So -2, if I can draw this, that is the 8. So 8 is not estimated here, because my estimation is the plus xt plus x of minus t divided by 2. So 4 plus 4 divided by 2, 8 by 2. Next, in between -4 to -2, -4 to -2 is 0, and here is a 4. So 4 plus 0 equals to 4 divided by 2. Here also 2, 4 plus 0 is 4 divided by 2. So the even part of the xt is look like this. So finally I am drawing this even part of the xt. That is a 2 Here it is 2, it is 4, it is minus 4, minus 2, it is 2, 4. Next I am going to estimate the x odd of t. So once again I am redrawing the x of t, that is minus 2
Sir,
to
please
4.
draw the graph clearly, sir.
Is it not clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Everyone not, it is not clearly visible, everyone not see, is visible.
Visual, sir.
1 minute. Next I am drawing the x of minus t once again. X of minus t started from the minus 4 to 2. Here amplitude is 4, here also amplitude is 4, t equals to 0, started from the minus 4 to 2. That is x of minus t. Now I know that the formula of x odd of t, or antisymmetric part, that is the x of t minus of x of minus t divided by 2. So if I am subtracting x of minus t from the x of t, so I am subtracting here from minus 4 to minus 2 part. If I am considering this part first, minus 4 to minus 2. So minus 4 to minus 2, here it is 0, it is 4. So 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4 divided by 2, that is minus 2. Minus 2. Next, I am subtracting between minus 2 to 2. Minus 2 to 2 is also 4, is also 4. So 4 minus 4 divided by 2 is 0. So 0. In between minus 2 to 2, it is 0. Next I am considering from the 2 to 4. 2 to 4 is 4. So 4 minus 0 divided by 2, that is 2. So is amplitude 2. This is the odd part. This one is the even part. Even part and odd part of x of t. So another problem I can give you like this: if x of t is equals to 2 minus 3t plus 4t square. So if I am calculating, and the question is that is this function or signal is a symmetric signal or anti-symmetric signal, either symmetric or not anti-symmetric, then you have to estimate the odd part or even part. So first for this I need to estimate the x of minus t. So if I am placing t in place of t equals to minus t is placing in place of t, so I can get that 2 plus 3t, and t square is same. If I am t square minus t square and plus t square both are same, so plus of 4t square. So can I say that x of t not equals to x of minus t, as well as x of t not equals to minus of x of minus t. So is not even, neither even nor odd. The signal is neither even nor odd. Is there any confusion? The signal neither even nor odd. So for this I need to estimate the x even of t. So for x even of t, I need to add x of t plus x of minus t and divided by 2. So if I am adding this x of t plus x of minus t, then 2 minus 3 plus 4t square plus 2 plus 3t plus 4t square. So 2 plus 2 is a 4.
So 4t square written as minus 4t square, na? In x minus t.
Yes,
So in x minus t,
yes,
4t square is written as minus 4t square, na?
minus 4t square.
अच्छा ना.
Because square, if I have done, if I am,
Square of any positive value will लगाया.
yes, positive, negative, both you can get the positive value.
Yes, yes.
So 4, 2 plus 2, 4, and minus 3t plus 3t, both are balanced. So next is the 8 of t square by 2, that is a 2 plus 4t square. 2 plus 4t square is a x even of t, x
Yes,
odd
sir.
of t is a 2 minus 3t plus 4t square minus of 2 minus of 3t minus of 4t square.
40 square.
So can balance this both. So now we can get the minus of 60 by 2, 60 by 2, that is minus of 3t, that is a x odd of t. I can formulate a different problem that using exponential also, say x of t equals to e to the power minus t. Is this function is even function or odd function? Can anyone say that? Is this function is even function or odd function? If I am estimating x of minus t means e to the power t. Is this both are same? No, x of e to the power minus t and e to the power t both are not same. So I can write that, can write this not equals to x of minus t, and as well as I can take one negative sign of x of t, that is I can say that it is not equals to the minus of x of minus t. So the signal is neither even nor odd. So even part of the x of t is e to the power t plus e to the power minus t divided by 2, that is the cos hyperbolic, and it x if odd of t is equals to x of t plus minus of x of minus t, that is the sine hyperbolic of t. I can check one unit step function is a even function or odd function. Is this even function is a even is a is step function is even or odd step signal? Say I can take u of t, say is 1 as a t, and I am subtracting u of minus t. What is the u of minus t? U of minus t is this. If I am I can say that u of t equals to u of minus t.
No, sir.
So is not even signal. I say that u of t equals to u of minus of u of minus t. Can I say that? What is the minus of u of minus t?
Yes, sir.
What is the minus of u of minus t? This one is the minus of u of minus t. That is the minus of u of minus t.
Neither odd nor even.
Yes, is neither even nor odd. If I am subtracting both, that means u of t minus u of minus t, a separate signal is created. If I am subtracting both, say u of t is 1 the t, and I am subtracting u of minus t, u of minus t. What should be created if I am subtracting both? U of t minus of u of minus t. That is a separate signal is created. I have not told you in the elementary function or elementary signal, because four important elementary signals I have explained on elementary portion. But here one specific signal is created. If I am subtracting both,
Sir,
yes,
Signum signal.
yes,
Signum signal, sir.
yes, signal. Who told this? Who told this?
हाँ वही सब बुक में देखे थे सर.
No. Your name?
सुबोध.
Acha, super, good. So this signal is specific signal. This signal is a signum of t, because signal is a such a signal that 1 equals to 1, t equals to 1, value is 1 for t greater than 0, and minus 1 for t less than 0. Signal is a specific signal. Now I am coming one specific problem. That problem has came in GATE 2005. Say even and odd part of ut can be represented in the form of x of t, as they have given one signum function basically. This is a question. This is a question options they have given: half, comma, half x of t. B, minus half, comma, half of x of t. C, minus half, minus of half x of t. D, half, comma, minus half x of t. There is a 2005. 2005, one another question I have seen in the 2005 question in the causality. I will tell you one question on causality. If you see the GATE 2005 question, is the two questions from the elementary signal. That is this question and another causal signal question of causality. They have asked, they has given four images and of signal, and asked which signal is a causal signal. So now for estimating this, even part of the ut and odd, can represent even and odd part of the ut. As I have discussed that ut is neither even nor odd. So ut having one even part and one another odd part. So we have to estimate the even part and odd part of the ut and compare this with these options. So I am coming with the so for this firstly I am going to draw the u of t. This one is a u of t. Next is a u of minus t. Amplitude is fixed. Just reverse the time. u of minus t. Next, I am going to estimate the u of t, t minus ut, u of t minus u of minus t. See, if I am subtracting u of t, that I have got that the signum function, but here amplitude is different. Amplitude here 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 divided by 2, 1 minus 0 divided by 2, so is half. Here also 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1 divided by 2, there is a minus half. So it is, I can say that the x odd of t is equals to half of xt, half of xt. And next I am going to estimate the even function, even part. This is the odd part. Now I am going to estimate the even part. So that for this I need to add the u of t, both u of t. Next is a even part of the t, u of t, u of minus t. Then I need to add these both and divide it by 2. So I am going to estimate u of t plus of u of minus t divided by 2. So if I am adding this both and dividing by t, so if we add 0 plus 1, that is a half, half. Here also 0 plus 1, that is half. So a signal that is that value of this is equals to half. But and as well as we can call that constant or half. So two values we have got, that x even of t is equals to half and x odd of t is a half of x of t. So which option is a correct option? Out of this A is the correct, A is the correct option.